Welcome. If you're looking to get the most out of your Roblox experience, enabling personalized ads can help you discover content that's more relevant to your interests. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on personalized ads right from your Roblox Mobile app, updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap the three dots. This is the More menu, where you'll find a range of options to customize your Roblox experience. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can manage everything from account security to privacy controls. Now, find and tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section is where Roblox gives you control over your privacy and how your data is used, including your ad preferences. Scroll until you see Ads Preferences and tap on it. Here, you'll find options to manage how ads are shown to you on Roblox. If you're eligible, meaning you're at least 16 years old, since personalized ads are not available for users under 16, you'll see the setting for personalized ads. Look for the option that says Personalize your ads. To enable personalized ads, simply toggle the switch to the on position. When this setting is turned on, Roblox will use information like your interests and the types of games you play to show you ads that are more tailored to you. That's it. You've now enabled personalized ads on your Roblox mobile app. Remember, you can update these preferences at any time if you change your mind. If you ever want to see more general ads instead, just return to this menu and toggle the setting off. Thanks for watching. Enjoy a more personalized Roblox experience, and don't forget to check your settings regularly to make sure they match your preferences.